Hello, today we are at Little Hall Park, which is in Hall County off of Highway 53. This park has a large shelter for parties. They've got multiple picnic areas and grills for you to do cookouts. Most importantly, they're right on Lake Lanier. So yes, it's a park by the lake. Looks like they got a beach area down there too. It's a beautiful day for visiting the park and for boating. Yeah, they have a beach area. Show that to you shortly here. This is one of many videos that we have in a playlist called Lake Lanier Parks and Access Points, so check that out. Come down to the water area. Yes, they have a boat ramp to launch boats as well. There is the lake. There's the beach area. Now we will go on and check the boat ramp area so you can see that for all you boaters. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos we put out. We would truly appreciate it. Definitely a beautiful day today. Not too crowded this park today. Though I noticed the large pavilion was full, so people are taking advantage of it. And there are restroom facilities here as well. Here is the boat launch area. And before we walk over there, I'm going to go over here because there's something over here that you don't see every day at a park. They have a fishing tournament complex. So any groups have any fishing tournaments, they have this Little Hall fishing tournament complex. And they have a dock down there for that as well. And they even have areas to put the fish in for the tournament. Grandstands for watching the tournament. So this is definitely a park with a unique feature. It's quite large of a park, even though the name says little. Not that little of a park after all. A lot of boat trailers here already. People still setting up, about to go onto the lake. People with jet skis on the lake right now. And there's the boat ramp area. Again, this is Little Hall Park off of Highway 53 in Hall County, Georgia. Please hit the thumbs up, comment on this video, subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed to it. We would appreciate it. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of more videos like this. Thank you for watching.